Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account type and access rights. Sign into your Google account. If you're on Workspace, make sure your admin hasn't blocked chat. Once signed in, open Chat. Google.com or the chat section inside Gmail to start. If you're using a mobile device, install the Google Chat app from your store. Make sure your browser is up to date and you have a stable connection. These steps prevent errors later and let chat load properly. Next, you enable chat within Gmail or the standalone app and configure preferences so it works the way you need. In Gmail, go to Settings, Chat and Meet and select Chat. Once enabled, set notifications, present status, and Do Not Disturb rules so alerts match your workflow. If you're an admin, adjust service settings in the admin console for users. Make sure to sync mobile notification settings and choose message threading, and to finish, confirm chat is syncing across devices and that your settings persist. If chat doesn't appear, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens, and check your admin console for any policy blocks if on Workspace. If issues continue, clear browser cache or app data, update the app or browser, and restart your device. These steps resolve most connectivity and UI problems. If you see permission errors, contact your admin. Fixing the account policy usually restores chat access immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.